how are you today? We're going to carry on with our phonics sessions, and today we're going to look at our next letter. We've been looking at the letter S so far. S makes the sound S. We've been looking at letter A makes the sound A. T makes the sound T. And P makes the sound P. Today we're going to come back in our list to the letter I. Okay, letter I looks like this. There we go, letter I. And in general, most of the time it makes the sound E, 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 E for igloo. Okay, so you pretend to be a little mouse and you go E, 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 E for igloo or insect. Okay, we've got the body. To write it down, we go down the insect's body and flick, and the dot for his head. Okay, so down the body, the insect's body, and the dot for his head. Now we're going to look at some more words that have the E sound in them. Looking at our Jelly Phonics book, and here's the page for our Jelly Phonics. We can see the capital I that looks different than the lowercase I. Okay, the capital is a tall letter, and it's a straight line down with two ticks at the top and bottom, and then the lowercase I looks like down the insect's body and a dot for his head. Now on this page I can see some words that have the sound E in them. I've got the word ink, ink. Can you see ink? Okay, you've got this, you can see the little mouse, she dropped the ink on the table. And also on the piece of paper in the middle of the page we have the word ill. When you're ill, not feeling well today, are you feeling sick? Are you a little bit ill? Yes. We've got the E sound at the beginning of the word. Now the E sound can be in the middle of the word too. For the word sit, sit, sit. Okay, when you sit down, we have the word lip, lip, lip. Okay, your lips. Okay, we've got the E sound in the middle of the word, and also there's the word hill, over the hill and far away. We've got H, makes the sound H, and then E, L. Okay, long L sound. And also we use a picture on the wall, and it's an image on it, image. So we've got the E sound there for the image. Now, there's lots of words that starts with the E sound. There's not many objects, unfortunately, but there's lots of words that have the E sound in it, and that starts with the E sound. For example, we've got the word in, we have the word is, we have the word it, we have the word if, we have the word inside, we have the word injection, we've got the word incredible, we have the word iguana, initial. When you speak about the initial letter of the word, is the first letter of the word. We've got the word independent, impossible. We have the word instrument. We have the word invitation. We have the word infinity. So you see, there's lots of words that start with the E sound. Now we need to remember that sometimes the letter I makes the sound I too. Okay, it makes the same sound that the name, that its name. For example, if you speak about yourself, you need to use the word I. Okay, the letter I, and you're going to use the capital I when you speak about yourself. Okay, so when you speak about yourself, you need to use the letter I, and it makes the sound I. Okay, I am Mr. Lamy. Now, there's other words that have the E sound, I sound, the I letter in it that makes the sound I. For example, we have ice, the ice. We've got the word icing or iceberg. We've got the word idea, when you've got a good idea. We've got the word iron, when you iron your clothes. An island, okay, when you go on holidays on an island. And also the word identity. So all those words are a bit tricky, but the I letter at the beginning of the word doesn't make the E sound for those words. It makes the I sound. Now we're going to look at some words, some pictures, and try to find out if the first letter makes the I sound or makes the E sound. So things that starts with the letter I. Here we have I for ice cream. Makes the sound I. I for ice. Here we've got the letter I that makes the sound E. E. E for igloo. It's a bouncy sound. E. E. Igloo. E. E. Iguana. We have E. E. Infant. So it's the E sound. We have the word E. E. Ink. And E. 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 Insect. I this time. I for iron. And I for Iceland. And that's it. Okay, wonderful. Now, we've got one more thing to do is to practice our writing of the letter I. So I'm gonna add an activity to this video so you can practice your writing. But basically, remember the capital I is a tall letter, so when it starts over the line, it goes all the way up over the line, down. We do a tick at the top and tick at the bottom, and for the lowercase I, we go down the insect's body, flick, and a dot over the line. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the activities, enjoy that video, and I will see you next time for our next letter. Take care, guys. See you soon.